The Miranda Rights Project is a partnership between the Hispanic Commission at the ABA Center for Innovation, the New Orleans Police Department, and the Institute of Design. Our goal was to develop and deliver a more effective way to deliver Miranda rights in multiple languages.
They need to make sure that the individual understands their constitutional rights to have an attorney, constitutional rights not to respond to any question that may incriminate them. But how do you do that if the individual is sketchy in English?
The chair of the committee approached me with an idea of developing an app for Miranda rights. The reason we had a strong interest in it was because it allowed us to really put together an interdisciplinary team. We had 2 design students, 2 computer science students, and 1 law student.
This is a good story about the power of prototyping, because we had 2 ideas that we really felt were going to solve the case right away.
The police department was understandably skeptical. You know, they have a lot of tools that they use that they have to adapt to the tools rather than the tools having to adapt to them.
Something we thought it's going to be very easily achieved has been terminated by them very quickly.
We realized we needed something inexpensive, something that was very light and easy to move around, and also something that was very easy to use. The idea actually came from one of the undergraduate computer science students.
So it originally started as a joke. What about those birthday cards that you get at like those Hallmark birthday cards where you open them and it starts singing happy birthday or a song or something to you?
And that actually, we were able to sort of take that technology and transform it into a very simple Miranda card.
Something that, you know, is super simple, very easy to do, and also very low cost.
Your constitutional rights. You have been arrested or detained in connection with the investigation of a crime.
These officers were super excited, and the buy-in was easy because of the fact that for far too long they've been trying to pronounce different words in Spanish when they're reading Miranda translations, and so the officers were super excited.
By working with the ABA, we have so many resources, you know, different resources from different people.
But we also got access to individuals who were in custody. We brought them to individuals at the First Defense Legal Aid.
We spoke with a group of homeless youth. You know, they shared with us their experiences with police officers.
To ensure that we got feedback from every audience that might be involved in the delivery of this.
In the summer, we're running a micro-pilot, I would say, testing 2 of the prototypes that we've created and testing them in the field with real police officers and real individuals.
We were right. The app wasn't the right solution. It was a much simpler level of technology, the greeting card technology, which I kind of love.
It's the beginning of a bigger conversation. This idea that technology and innovation can actually begin to influence criminal justice in a very positive way. And it doesn't have to take a side, it can actually be good for everybody.
The solution here, low-tech as it is, can be embraced by police organizations across the country in a way that will make a real difference.
There's many more aspects where technology and design can help making the justice more accessible.
This is a large step in making Miranda something more than just a mere formality. And that's what the rule of law is about for all of us here.